Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Jeep Renegade. So from any screen, you have phone there and you've got settings or a cog there. Into phone. Settings for the phone is over here in the bottom right hand corner, so we'll click on settings, and then that's brought up paired phones and paired audio source, Barry's iPhone connected, and then there's another cog or picture of a cog there, so you click that. Disconnect phone or delete phone, delete phone. Delete device, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. That's it gone.